I actually forgot about this thing right here. So this was like a month ago. Basically, I was babysitting my nephew when he was over here because my brother had to do something, and my mom was busy, and the mom was busy, so all that jazz. I was like, you know what, I can babysit. I'm jobless. It's fine. I cannot do this with one hand. Hold on. So when he was over here, he said he wanted to build one of my Legos, my many Legos I have not started. But I also didn't want him to start anything big because he won't finish in time because I was only babysitting him for a couple hours. Not a couple, like 1.5 hours. But he insisted because, you know, he's my nephew. So I was like, just build something small because I don't like finishing something I didn't start, especially with Lego. I hate that. So he didn't finish, but he took it home with him. And he finished it because I didn't want to finish it. Like, why can I not open a bag? Jeez Louise. So, he built the bus for me, the tour bus. I think it's the London tour bus. I don't know. Here we have it. My nephew's really good at Lego, but then again, what kid is not good at Lego? But honestly, it takes a lot of patience and, you know, creativity to do this because you have to follow instructions and everything. So it's a good way to build up their I guess cognitive skills. What's the term? Like, you know, creative, you know, good for them. I do admire his patience because, you know, 6-year-olds, 7-year-olds don't have the most patience in the world. But yeah, this is done. I just have a messy Lego table. I need to clean this table up. It's kind of messy. It's like Pokemon cards everywhere and there's barely Lego. But yeah. He said he can help me build Lego again. My nephew just wants me to let him play with my Legos, basically. But yeah, I'm just going to put this here for the time being. But yeah, I completely forgot about that. Yes, I know I suck this week for vlogging crappy. I can't make a sentence right. But yeah, yeah, it's been a horrible week for me for vlogging. I'm sorry, guys. There's no excuse. Let's put it this way. The last 2 days, I would wake up, go to work. I'd come back extremely exhausted. Like, I've never had that before. I'm just come back and I'm tired because there's so much to do at work. And there's a lot of things that anger me at work. But, you know what? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Things will be good. I'm getting into the mindset of, you know what? If it's wrong, it's wrong. Whatever. I don't care. It's okay. I'll fix it slowly but gradually. The weather got really hot today, that's for sure. I don't know how to dress these days. The weather could be really hot today, and then tomorrow it's all cloudy and gloomy and cold again. Just very random. But yeah, I went out for a grocery shop. I was going to hit up 2 places, but I'm like, you know what? I get off work early tomorrow, so I'll stop by that on my way home. So, yeah. So I got bought a lot of different ingredients. I'm going to do some more meal prep, because I've been pretty good. I'm going to continue to not order food. Let's see, let's put this chicken away. But yeah, so far so good. Got some lettuce, proteins to cook with. Oh, I forgot eggs. Do I have eggs? I still have eggs. We're good, y'all. You know what I need to do? I need to actually clean up my fridge. It's not. It looks like it's full, but it's not. I'm just didn't do a good job of cleaning or organizing things. So I needed Gabe to do that. I might just do it right after I load. I kid you not, I was just playing a video game and I completely knocked the F out. I'm so tired. It was kind of hilarious. I was like, I wasn't even feeling tired. I was just gaming, and all of a sudden a wave of tiredness hit me, and then the next thing I know is I woke up to a game over screen. So yeah, it's hilarious. The week is over. Work was extremely, not stressful, it was just tiring. And yeah, just, I'm not as stressed anymore because I've kind of let go a little bit like I always wanted to. I'm like, I've got to like, don't worry about it. If it doesn't get done, whatever, I don't care anymore. I still care to an extent. I still want to do a good job. I'm not going to let the deadlines and, all that stuff worry me anymore. Because also today, I found out how the store manager that went on maternity leave did everything and finished it all in time. Because things weren't adding up in my brain of how she was getting things done. So to quickly sum up, as a store manager, every week I'm given a budget of how many hours I can use. It ranges from 184 hours to 200 something. 215 was the most I've gone. And within those 184 to 250 hours, I have to schedule to make sure the store's open, run the store, and also do other things like scheduling up how to do stock, making sure when you get a new floor set, we do the floor set, make those changes. And we're expected to do the stock and this floor set stuff outside of store hours. We'll basically making sure you do it when the store's closed. So I'm like, okay, so this maternity leave manager did everything on time. So I was like, okay, so I only have hours to do this stuff. But it's not adding up to me because I would schedule the basics first, which is opening and closing of the store to make sure it's operational. It's fully like open and we're helping customers. And I didn't have any hours left over. So I'm so confused. And then I remember me and Zion were struggling to get stock done. Today I was trying to analyze how we can set the floor to match the new requirements and all that stuff. And I'm calculating in my head, and I'm like, am I that slow at doing a task? Why am I not finishing this task on time? Zion, who I can't question his work ethic, works extremely fast, and he was falling behind because there's just so much more stock. There's such more to do. So it was just not adding up in my brain, how did this woman get all this stuff done? And then I found out she cheats in a way. I don't want to divulge what she does because technically she can get in trouble I don't want to get her in trouble, but it's just... Let's put it this way. Now I know she is full of it. Let's put it that way. I'm not going to divulge what it is, but if you know me, you probably can ask me in person, and I'll be like, yeah, she does this. Because now I feel a lot better, knowing the fact that she's not legit about it. She's doing the work. She definitely is, but she's not... the only reason she's doing it on finishing on time is because she's doing this one little thing that lets her cheat, and she gets it done on time. I will not be doing that because I can lose my job doing that. Zion will not be doing that either because he could lose his job. But it also made Zion feel better knowing the fact that, okay, it's not my work ethic. I'm not slow. It's just this woman did this to get things done on time. And it's nothing clever. It's literally not okay to do it. You can get fired. So it's very interesting. But we felt good because me questioning my work ethic and me being slow, I maybe because my heart's not in it, that's why. But I can't question Zion's work speed and work ethic. So when he's falling behind, something's fishy is going on. But yeah. That's why I'm tired, because I'm trying to finish something on time. Because I'm like, no, I can beat her time. There's no way. But I was like, you know what? Now I know why. Feel a little bit of redemption. Will I be telling my district manager about this? Probably, because I need him to realize the hours aren't adding up and I need more hours to get stuff done. Yeah. Anyway, I get to do a bunch of interviews. I'm giving interviews, not me getting interviewed, because no jobs are hiring right now. So I'll be doing a lot of interviews. I need to hire one seasonal staff member, so it's going to be fun, because I've always enjoyed doing interviews. Because I always keep it chill and stuff. And I always this is me, I always like hiring the quiet ones and the little bit socially awkward ones, because those are the ones that are not pretending for 10 minutes. They're actually being who they are, so I can trust them. And, given my history, I thought I had bad judgment on people and hiring bad people, but I only, a couple people that fell through the gaps that were really bad. But in the store I'm covering now, there are some bad apples there that shouldn't have been hired, and they were, walking red flags. I don't know how they passed interviews. But anyway, I'm rambling. I am starting to feel sleepy again. But before I fall asleep again, I need to grab a shower, because I should have grabbed a shower before I was playing video games, because I feel gross. So I'm gonna grab a shower and then head to bed properly. But yeah, I'm gonna end the week here. Sorry, it's been pretty lackluster, but nothing was really happening. It was just me waking up, going to work, being tired, and falling asleep. That was basically most of my days. So hopefully next week's a little better as my body adapts to this new workload. But for now, I'll see you all next week.